Austrian Post has been 20 years on the Vienna Stock Exchange, a success story with a clear capital market positioning as a defensive dividend stock, delivering more than 250% of total shareholder value. Austrian Post this year celebrates 20 years on the Vienna Stock Exchange. We IPO'd in May 2006. Since then, we have delivered more than 250% of total shareholder return. A lot of that as dividends. We paid out dividends of 37.2 million euro based on the initial stock price of 19 euro. The IPO was also an important catalyst for a very comprehensive transformation which has happened over the last 20 years. We are now a different company, well positioned for the future. Austrian Post for the last 20 years has had a very clear positioning versus capital markets. Our promise is to be a defensive dividend stock based on 4 pillars. Pillar 1, a resilient business model which has proven to be able to deliver stable revenues and stable returns also in crisis years such as the pandemic, such as the financial crisis of 2008 or 9. Second, what we promise we deliver, and whatever we guided, we delivered. Third, an attractive dividend policy. We promise to pay out more than 75% of net earnings, which we have done so over the last 20 years. And fourth, our ambition is to be a leader in sustainable logistics, and we have now a track record of more than 50 years also in reducing the carbon footprint of our logistics network. The postal industry globally, in Europe and in Austria, is in a very challenging environment. Mail volumes are shrinking, e-commerce and parcel volumes are growing, and the overall macroeconomic environment is quite difficult. In this challenging environment, Austrian Post another year has proven to be a stable and resilient company. With revenues of 3 billion euro and an EBIT of almost 200 million euro, we another year delivered on our promise of being a stable and resilient company. The basis for that was our strategy Lead 2030 with 3 clear strategic directions. Number 1, Post and beyond in Austria. Our aspiration is to not only be the clear market leader in the postal business, so in mail and parcel in Austria, but also be in financial services with our Bank 99, which has surpassed the break-even threshold last year. We this year started our mobile and internet offering under the brand Yellow, and we try to position the company as a broader service company in Austria. Pillar number 2, strong in international e-commerce. We are covering 14 markets in Europe with a total population of 150 million consumers, which we reach every day with high quality networks. We are investing in those networks, in infrastructure, but also in M&A. Number 3, one group, operationally excellent. We try to strongly integrate our group and achieve operational excellence in whatever we do. 2026 is another year of challenging environment. Again, our aspiration is to prove resilience and stability. We expect a slight growth for the full year. We target stable earnings in the order of magnitude of the last years, and we continue to invest in the future of the company with a capex investment of around 140 to 160 million euro.